Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making just perfect lemon frosting. It's going to be sweet and a little bit just perfectly sharp, distinguishable lemon flavor. There it is. It's really good. It's really perfect and it's super easy. Couple ingredients. And it's gonna go great with those delicious lemon cakes. And I will throw those links down below too, because you definitely should try them. But down there also, you will find all the ingredients, all the directions, and that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and dive right in and get started on our perfect lemon frosting. Woo. Clearly I'm excited. Okay, so we're ready to get started on this delicious lemon frosting. I'm gonna show you how quick and how fast and easy and simple it's gonna be for something so delicious. So grab your mixing bowl, and to that we're gonna add in 1 cup of whipping cream, 1/4 cup of sifted powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of instant lemon pudding. Now let's go ahead, grab our hand mixer, and on a high speed, beat all these ingredients together. Usually I like to keep mixing for about good 2.5, maybe 3 minutes. And once you're done mixing, you will have light and fluffy lemon cream-like frosting. It's just, I told you, it was super quick. So glad I didn't let you down. And it's really delicious. You can use this with so many different kind of recipes. You really get creative with what you can use this with. Or, I guess, suggested maybe those lemon cakes. I'll throw that link down below. They're really good and easy. But that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you do make and try and get creative and use this in your kitchen, this delicious lemon cream frosting, give a tag and let me see what you're doing over on, Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, or all the social places. Or if you're in a new social place, let me know. I'll dive in. Share Man Cake with everybody. Until next week, bye.